Hey guys, Ron Doncombe here, driver of Maverik's number 42 Pro Lite. This weekend, our adventure starts at Wild West Motorsports Park here in Sparks, Nevada. Off-road truck racing. This is short course action. It's a lot like Supercross and pickups. For short course action, it's so different from what I do with the monster truck, albeit it's a 10,000 pound beast. These things weigh 2,400 pounds and crazy. 14, 16 laps, it's straight up, stone cold, a cage fight out there. When we're on the racetrack, it's no hold bars, just straight up action. But as soon as we take the helmets off and we park the trucks, we're all brothers out here and we'll do whatever we can to help one another. Each and every time we're in the truck, we're doing better, and we're still smiling and we're having fun.